It's me, your teacher Jel. So for today's reel, we are going to tackle about how to subtract integers using counters. So, are you all ready to learn today? Alright, very good. So sit back and watch this video. So, we need to subtract integers using counters. As you can see, yellow counter representing positive 1 and red counter representing negative 1. So, let's start from the basic. We have here positive 3 minus 2. So, we need to put 3 yellow counters. And then, remove 2 yellow counters by crossing it out. As you can see, 1 yellow counter left. So it means that 3 minus 2 equals positive 1. Next, we have negative 3 minus negative 1. So we're starting with 3 red counters. We need to remove 1 red counter, then left with 2 red counters. So it means that negative 3 minus negative 1 equals negative 2. Lastly, we have 3 minus 5. We're gonna start with 3 yellow counters. Now, we're gonna remove 5 counters. Since we can subtract 5 from 3, so we need to add 2 zero pairs so that we can remove 5 yellow counters by crossing it out. So, we have 2 red counters left. So it means that 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 2.